The show for this June 2016, titled The Immeasurable Light of Nature's Heart. This show is all about mandalas. Mandalas take one through meditation, from your eye, your mind, to your heart, your soul. When I do a mandala, it is a meditation. It brings me to the center of my awareness, what I call the still point of the oneness. And the energy to create flows from that inner space. We have a poem for the show. The title of the poem is The Circular Dance of the Sacred Symbols in the Sacred Geometry of Creation. Close your eyes. Now breathe deeply. Allow your breath to flow in its natural rhythm. Now see with your eyes closed. Look there in the center of that infinitely deep inner space. There is the boundary of the inner meeting the outer. It is the synapse of your soul and the synapse of all souls, all life, all nature, and the symbols of nature's heart. It is a language of symbols, a language of the soul, resonating, radiating, emanating in the great mandala of life. Meditation, meditation, meditation. There in the absolute center of your heart, of nature's heart, the cycles of creation, the cycles of destruction, the cycles of life and death, the cycles of impermanence, the cycles of fortune, fame, and family. All symbols spinning on a circular wheel, revealing, revealing, revealing in the great mandala of creation. There are the keys and the symbols guiding us to deeper understanding. The keys and the symbols guiding us to compassion. The keys and the symbols guiding us to inner peace. The keys and the symbols guiding us to love. The keys and the symbols to your life and all life. Know them. They are your mandala of being.